there. Um, Let me start by saying that I'm really happy that I contacted this company, Advanced Food Intolerance Incorporated. I grew up with a very healthy lifestyle, did sports, cheerleading in high school and in college, and really throughout my life, taught aerobic classes, so on and so forth. And I went through my 20s and my 30s with virtually no problems. Started seeing some sensitivities in my 40s, but I didn't address it. And then I hit my 50s, and it was a big mess, riddled with inflammation, chest pain, dizziness, vomiting, inconsistencies with stomach problems, intestinal problems, bloating, gas, you name it. And I was at my wit's end, so I wanted to get my food intolerance tested. Found this company, and long story short, it was really a life-saving event, I think. I was able to clear up my diet very quickly with great results. It's been several years now since I've been kind of following the recommendations. It was so good that I also got a test for my son, who is a teenager, has acne, had some inflammation going on, but he's been able to use it as well with some surprising results. So if you have any inspiration to clean up your diet, feel better, get rid of your inflammation, and start on a new path for yourself, I highly recommend this company.